Hello everyone, I am Anushri and I will be talking about the edible freshwater mollusks as bioresources from Northeast India. When we think of snails, we often see them as pests in our horticultural gardens. But nowadays, snails are becoming extremely popular in the cosmetic industry. Among the many other uses of mollusks, one of the most important has been food. So snails are not only making you stronger from inside, but also making you glow from the outside. I'll be focusing on the consumption of mollusks here. In the modern world, mollusks are known to be consumed in the form of allied dishes such as snail caviar or escargot, but mollusks were consumed as a source of food and have been serving as a rich nutrient source since the existence of hunter-gatherer societies. In case of India, freshwater mollusks are highly in demand among the tribal communities of Northeast India as they are a cheap source of protein, provide food security, livelihoods, and are also used for medicinal purposes. Unfortunately, there is limited data available in terms of documenting the diversity of these freshwater mollusks and the traditional knowledge associated with them. Hence, I have tried to document the information on diversity, quantity harvested, location of harvest, and related traditional knowledge of the edible freshwater mollusks in this particular region. For this, I conducted market surveys in different states of Northeast India, along with structured interviews of vendors selling these mollusks, as well as the locals, to gather maximum information. A minimum of 5 species per individuals sold in the markets were collected and preserved in 100% of ethanol for further taxonomic authentication. Species belonging to the genera Polydamas and Rosia were highly variable in their shell characters. Hence, DNA barcode analysis was done using CUI marker for these species. Out of the 23 markets surveyed across 6 states, we recorded 17 species of freshwater mollusks, out of which 15 are gastropods and 2 bivalves, belonging to 5 families and 7 genera. The price during the peak season, which is from April to August, ranged from 20 to 40 INR per mug, and that of off season was 40 to 100 INR per mug of these freshwater mollusks. But the price in overall Northeast Indian states remains relatively similar. The price also varies according to different species. In the hilly parts of Northeast India, like Mizoram and Meghalaya, the local communities prefer stream or river dwelling mollusks such as Brosia and Polydamas due to its availability. While in other states, species like Phyllopolyedina bengalensis, Cipangopolyedina this, and Pilia olea are preferred. The tribal communities across the states of Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Assam believe consuming snails enhances and helps in maintaining good eyesight, normal functioning of kidneys, and reduces joint pain. This is the first study highlighting putative new species of Polydamas and Brosia sold in the markets of Northeast India, which at present are sold as a single species. Most of the edible freshwater mollusks have incorrect taxonomic status or are data deficient or least concern under the IUCN Red List categories. These freshwater mollusks are being harvested and extracted directly from the wild populations in large quantities from Northeast India, along with various threats like pollution and change in the land use. It is essential to document, study, and develop effective management strategies to conserve the biodiversity and their habitats. A combined knowledge of livelihoods of these tribal communities can help in the sustainable use of these natural resources. Thank you.